Hi, I'm Dr. Kritika Agarwal, MD Pediatrics. I am a consultant pediatrician in Columbia Asia Hospital, Sarjapur branch. So when you are using formula, the most important thing is to prepare it hygienically. When preparing a formula, you have to wash your hands, use boil and cool water as well as a sterile container. The amount of water should be specifically taken as mentioned in the formula. Do not over dilute or use less of formula. If you use more of the formula or less of formula, it is something which is not recommended. Once the formula is met, it should be actually consumed within 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending upon different formulas which have different time periods. After that period, you should not store the formula and should throw it off. Any formula on standing will promote bacterial contamination. So this is not something which is recommended. If you are using formula, once you open the formula, you need to keep it in a tight container. Do not leave it open. The most important thing is when giving the formula, try to use it as you have been advised. If you are using too much of formula when it is not required, will actually decrease breastfeeding. So try to give formula only as and when required or as recommended by your pediatrician.